progressed a lot since our last video, mainly joinery, tiling, and a lot of tapware has been installed. The apartment's starting to come together, the flooring's now in, the kitchen is largely in. This is the main bedroom. The ceilings have been painted, the walls have been painted, we've patched up everywhere. We've put in new joinery. You would have remembered from our last video, this joinery was pretty nasty and removed, and we have now replaced the joinery with a brand new built-in cupboard. We've also carpeted the room, and we'll show you into the ensuite bathroom how things have progressed there now. Last time there were no tiles. All the tiles have been done. The Oriana marble has now been put in place, and it's going to be set in place soon. The apartment's progressed a lot. Next time you'll see it almost finished, and if not finished. So thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing our project with you in the next edition shortly.